Hello everyone, welcome to African North Food. I hope everybody is well. If it's your first time coming to our channel, we welcome you. Please do take a seat and watch what we have for you today. Today we have Angwamo corned beef rice, which is oil rice with corned beef. Yeah, so we have our corned beef here. Of corned beef. We have one medium size of onion. We have green onion. We have a bit of papushito here, and we also have rice, gemsmi rice that's washed. We have a bit of butter, that's optional, and then we have vegetable oil. We have also thyme and black pepper, and then we have a bit of salt here and shrimp cube that we're going to use. So please, if you want to know how we cook our Angwamo corned beef rice, please stay tuned. First of all, I'm going to add a bit of oil, vegetable oil. Let's say 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Okay. I'm going to leave it to warm up a bit, and then I'll add my our oil has heating up a bit. So we're going to add our onion. We add first the white onion first. We leave it to cook a bit, and then we'll add the green one. Okay, so now I'm adding the green onion. That is also optional. It's up to you. Yeah, I like the smell of green onion, spring onion, and Angwamo. Okay. So this is cooking now. Now we are going to add our corned beef into the oil to fry it tiny bits. That's it. I'm leaving it in chunk. So he'll do his business himself. Okay, that's it. I'm going to leave it. So now I'm going to add my rice. I have about 500 grams of jasmine rice. I'm gonna add this into the corned beef and mix it together. And also adding my spice, the herbs. I'm adding the thyme and the black pepper into it. Stir really well so it goes everywhere. It's the same way like you're doing Angwamo, on the other way, except that this time there's corned beef in here. So, and I'm also gonna add my butter. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's enough. So I'm adding water into the rice now. So I have 1 cup of water, 2 hot water, kettle water, 3 enough, yeah. And also adding a bit of salt or your prawn cube. I'm adding a salt, a tiny bit, not too much, because the corned beef contains salt already, so you don't want a salty rice. No nice at all. So that's it. So now I'm just going to cover this and leave it to cook for about 15 minutes, and it will be ready. That's it. And voila, this is our rice. I have added papushito in there. It's cooked. It smells so nice. Let's see. So now I'm going to serve it. It's ready. I'm going to serve it, and then I'll show you how it is. So voila, this is how our corned beef Angwamo look like. I have added a bit of spring onion and also our green shito on the side. I'm going to taste it. Okay, see, a bit of pepper here. This is sorry. This is beautiful. If you haven't tried it, please do try. It's really nice and tasty. Thank you for coming today. I hope you enjoy cooking with us, and then we'll come back again. Please do like, share, subscribe, like, and give us a thumbs up and comment as well. Thank you for coming. Bye.